Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bam of Edifier, and in this video, I will unbox itong W800BT Plus Bluetooth stereo headphones. Okay, so before I start, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Just click on the subscribe button down below of this video. Would really appreciate it. And you could also visit my website at www.adobotech.net. Okay, so itong W800BT Plus, isa sa pinaka-latest na wireless headphones ng Edifier. So in terms of packaging, so it comes in medyo malaki yung box niya. Well, of course, since it's an over-ear headphones. And up front ng box, makikita mo na agad yung design or yung look ng headphones. Siyempre, naka-indicate din yung Bluetooth for the wireless connection and yung branding ng Edifier. Okay, so going to the back naman, dito nakalagay yung technical specifications about the headphones. Okay, so I guess time to open itong Edifier W800BT Plus headphones. Okay, so looks like we have the accessories here na nakalagay sa plastic. And syempre we have yung headphones. Okay. So first, let me check yung accessories included dun sa box. Okay, so first, we have the Type-C USB cable, which is nice. Buti na lang, hindi siya yung old technology na micro USB, which is Type-C is way better in terms of charging and data transfer. Okay, so next, meron siyang kasamang audio cable with a 3.5 tip. So itong headphones, you could use it for wired connection, which is cool. So wireless and wired connection. And of course, syempre may kasamang user guide and warranty information. Okay, so time to check itong Edifier W800BT headphones. Okay, so that looks nice. Maganda yung build. The body, it's made of plastic. Okay. So, adjustable din yung length, yung headband niya. That's nice. Okay, so madali lang siyang i-bend. Nice. Okay. So, you have the branding on both ear cups ng headphones. And, okay, so at the top, nung headband, may nakalagay, a passion for sound. That's nice. Okay. It's cool. Okay, so sa headband din, meron ding foam on top, which is make it more comfortable to use. And syempre yung ear cups, malambot siya. And looks like comfortable naman siya gamitin. So, very soft, which is nice. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, so bendable siya. So, it's easy to bend. Mukha naman matibay. Okay, nice. Okay, so on this side, andito yung multi-function button ng headphones. Okay, so at the bottom naman ng ear cups are the Type-C port connector. And syempre, andito yung 3.5 audio jack kung gusto mo siyang gamitin for wired connection. And on the other side naman, andito yung volume control. So you have the volume up and the volume down. Okay, so the headphone looks nice. It's made of plastic, but still it looks durable naman. And meron siyang parang metallic look So it makes it like a bit premium headphones. Okay, so connecting yung headphones is easy. Just press and hold yung button dun sa side ng headset. And on your smartphone, just look for the Edifier W800BT Plus and pair it. So that's how easy. Okay, so in terms of technical specs, itong Edifier W800BT, so meron siyang 14 nanometer magnetic drivers with Qualcomm QCC chipset. In terms of frequency, that's 20 Hz to 20 kHz. At meron siyang 32 ohms impedance. Wireless connectivity, it uses Bluetooth 5.0. In terms of battery naman, itong W800BT, meron siyang 800 mAh rechargeable battery. So in terms of weight, magaan lang siya. So it weighs around 202 grams only. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing of the Edifier W800BT Bluetooth wireless headphones. Again, this is Bam of Adobo Tech, and thank you for watching. Now back to work.